Let's talk about a new electric wheelchair foldable full magnesium alloy lightweight portable shock absorption design environmentally friendly battery. Lightweight and easy to fold folding electric wheelchair, folding in one click to save space, yet very light, extremely easy to load this wheelchair into your vehicle for transportation or storage. Safe protection. The EABS intelligent braking system stops driving immediately after releasing the controller, does not slip. Electric mode available, strong and durable for the use, support 220 pounds, equipped with power motor. Quiet and stable movement, electric scooter suitable for all road surfaces such as grass, sandstone, soft slope. Your safest choice for a superior electric wheelchair. We've built a host of important safety features into this very high quality wheelchair, including joystick, more stable rear wheels, super stable footrest, and very durable construction. It's not only easy to use, extremely reliable, but keeps you safe even in the most demanding situations. We provide the best service. Be assured of your purchase. Contact us immediately in case of quality problem. We will respond within 24 hours and provide a satisfactory